Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have or can request calendar access. Without permission, you can't view details. Once confirmed, open Outlook desktop. Go to Home, add Calendar from Address Book, search and add the person. In Outlook Web, go to Calendar, add Calendar, choose People, type their name and add. Make sure you select the correct entry if multiple appear. These steps immediately attempt to attach the other user's calendar so you can see availability or details. If you see only free/busy or nothing, you must request explicit permissions. Ask the owner to open their calendar, choose Share Calendar, add your address and set a permission level, reviewer to view details or editor to modify. Once they send the invitation, accept it in your email or calendar. Alternatively, an Exchange admin can grant full access or add mailbox permission. Use that route when broader access or delegation is required. After permissions apply, sync may take minutes. Refresh your client to see changes. To finish, accept the sharing invitation in your mail or calendar and enable the new calendar in the side pane. Pin it so it appears by default. Once done, adjust overlay or side-by-side view to compare schedules. If the calendar doesn't appear, make sure to refresh or restart Outlook and check Outlook Web to determine if it's a client issue. As a key troubleshooting tip, if access still fails, clear the Outlook cache and confirm the accounts are in the same tenant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.